Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to cash out your money on TesterUp using an app. Let's get started. First, open the TesterUp app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. On the home screen, you will see your available balance at the top. Before cashing out, make sure your balance has reached the minimum payout amount or your completed tasks so as approved not pending. Only approved earnings can be withdrawn. To check this, tap on payout at the top of your screen. Next, tap on cash out, withdraw or payout. This option is usually found in your settings. Then tap it to continue. Now choose how you want to receive your money. Most users select PayPal, but other options may be available depending on your country. If you choose PayPal, enter your PayPal email address. Make sure the email is correct and active. Check the amount you are withdrawing. Tap confirm, withdraw or cash out. You will see a message confirming that your payout request was submitted successfully. Payments usually takes a few days depending on the method you choose, and that's it. Always make sure your account details are correct before cashing out. If there is a delay, you can contact TesterUp support inside the app. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys liked this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.